And welcome to day 93 of the Storage 100. Folks, I'm Joe Downs with Storage Moguls, and today we are diving into tenant insurance. Sounds like a boring subject, I know, but guess what? It's a profit center most operators don't even know about. Today, I'm going to show you how it works and why it matters. And for more revenue strategies just like this, Storage Moguls community is just sitting there waiting for you to join it. It's not going to join itself, folks. It's not going to join for you either. So go to storagemoguls.ai and register. Storagemoguls.ai and register. Again, it's free. I promise there isn't even a way for us to take payment. And it's an AI powered community with GPT tools and multimodal learning across every storage vertical. Some people have asked, what is multimodal? Well, when we launch in a few short weeks, you'll be able to learn all of these topics that I've been covering in the Storage 100 in different modes or ways. So, like video, infographics, mind maps, flashcards, quizzes, podcasts, and more. And that's what I mean by AI powered and multimodal. And you can start for free, level up at your own pace. All right. All right. As I said, today we're diving into a cooler than you realize topic: tenant insurance requirements. This isn't just about protecting your tenants, it's about protecting your business and making money while you do it. We'll explore how mandatory tenant insurance can be a game changer for your self storage operation. All right. Let's get into it. So why should you require tenant insurance? Well, it boils down to two major benefits: a liability shield on the one hand and a new revenue stream on the other. This isn't just an extra hoop for the tenant to jump through. It's a strategic move for you. It protects you from potential lawsuits. And while it's doing that, it's adding money to your bottom line. So let's first unpack the liability shield. Liability shield is crucial for your peace of mind. Without insurance, any damage to tenant belongings can quickly turn into a lawsuit for you. So think about leaks, fires, or even theft. These things happen. But with insurance, the tenant claims on their policy, they don't claim on your policy. This shifts the burden and protects your asset. Now, let's look at the other benefit, or big benefit is the revenue. Because beyond protection, tenant insurance creates a new passive revenue stream for your business. The tenant pays a monthly premium, and they do it with their rent. It's collected right at the lease signing. That's where it starts, and then they pay it with the rent every month. An insurance provider covers the actual risk, and you keep a percentage of that. This is pure profit. It's basically an administration fee for facilitating the policy every single month. It's a win-win, adding income and protection with barely any effort. So how does this actually work in practice? Well, implementing the insurance is pretty straightforward with two main options. Tenants can either provide proof of an existing homeowners or renters policy. No one's doing that, right? Pain in the neck. You're not going to do it. Or they can purchase your policy directly there at the time of lease. And this ensures 100% of your units are insured, protecting everyone. Simple, instant, keeps you compliant. All right, let's look at the math. Because there's money in tenant insurance. And it's not just about protection, it's about profit. For every, let's say, 10, 12 bucks a tenant pays monthly, you might keep 6 to 8, depending on your plan. So let's say 12 bucks, you're keeping 8. That's a significant margin. Imagine you have 100 units. That's $800 in monthly profit. $9,600 a year. Put a cap rate on that. Now tell me how smart this is. This isn't just a small side hustle. It's a substantial revenue stream. All right, let's look at how we put it into practice. It starts with a few clear steps. First, update your lease agreements. Make insurance mandatory. No insurance, no rental. Next, partner with a provider that integrates seamlessly right into your existing software. This makes the process smooth. And finally, just train your staff. They need to know the script and how to handle any questions or objections. These steps ensure smooth rollout, maximum adoption. But tenants will push back from time to time. And what do? Because they're inevitable, but they're easily overcomable. The most common one is, I already have homeowners insurance. Your response? Great. We just need to get a copy of that declaration page listing, and you got to list us as an additional interest, additional insured. The reality is, most tenants won't bother with that paperwork. That's a hassle. They're not going to do it. They'll opt for the convenience of paying the $12 right there on the spot. This approach turns a potential hurdle into an easy win for you. It's a simple script, but it's incredibly effective. All right, let's look at the bigger picture here for a second. Ultimately, tenant insurance is a true win-win situation. It's beneficial for everyone involved. Your tenants get the protection they need for their belongings, and this also gives them peace of mind. And you, the operator, get a consistent and significant profit stream while you're protecting your asset. It's a simple concept that delivers powerful results for your business. And this strategy strengthens your operation and your bottom line. All right. Thanks for joining me for day 93 on insurance requirements. Can't believe it's day 93. Not many left, folks. This is not about just about today, though. It's about building a stronger, more profitable business. So if you want to show your network, you understand risk management, and build your reputation as a savvy operator, you should probably start to like and share all of these videos. And now you have a new topic to talk about at cocktail parties. How boring old insurance is actually another revenue stream while protects your ass. All right, join us tomorrow for day 94, where we'll discuss phone conversations and turning callers into renters, the conversions. And remember, tenant insurance protects your tenants. It protects you and it generates revenue. It's one of the easiest wins in all of storage. Most operators ignore it entirely. Don't be most operators. Be a mogul in the business. One of the easiest ways to become one is to join the Storage Moguls community for free at storagemoguls.ai. Storagemoguls.ai. And you know why it's .ai? Because I've already told you that. 13 episodes left in the Storage 100, folks. That's it, 13. And then we're launching the Boat and RV 100, the BRV. I'm probably going to call it BRV 100. Boat and RV 100. Immediately right after. It's not going to skip a beat. If you made it this far, you're going to want to see what comes next. See you tomorrow.